Judge in Trump Georgia case says DA Fani Willis alleged improper affair could result in disqualification. Fox News' Madison Scarpino reports that Fulton County, Georgia DA Fani Willis admitted to having a relationship with her Trump case special prosecutor Nathan Wade. A Georgia state judge on Monday confirmed that he will hold an evidentiary hearing on Thursday over allegations that embattled District Attorney Fani Willis engaged in an improper affair. Willis was accused of having an improper affair with special prosecutor Nathan Wade, whom she hired to help prosecute former President Donald Trump in a sweeping racketeering case related to the 2020 election. Those allegations were first made by Trump co-defendant Michael Roman, who is arguing that Willis' alleged conduct should disqualify her and her team from the case. Willis, who admitted to a personal relationship with Wade but denied any conflict of interest, asked the court to cancel the evidentiary hearing slated for later this week. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee said in a hearing Monday, considering those motions, "In studying the law that's been filed up to this point, I think it's clear that disqualification can occur if evidence is produced demonstrating an actual conflict or the appearance of one. And the filings submitted on this issue so far have presented a conflict in the evidence that can't be resolved as a matter of law." Fulton County DA Fani Willis admits personal relationship with prosecutor but denies conflict of interest. Specifically looking at defendant Roman's motion, it alleges a personal relationship that resulted in a financial benefit to the district attorney. And that is no longer a matter of complete speculation. The state has admitted a relationship existed. And so, what remains to be proven is the existence and extent of any financial benefit, the judge said. So, because I think it's possible that the facts alleged by the defendant could result in disqualification, I think an evidentiary hearing must occur to establish the record on those core allegations, he said. In legal filings last month, Roman alleged that Wade billed Fulton County for 24 hours of work on a single day in November 2021, shortly after being appointed as a special prosecutor, and that Willis financially benefited from her alleged lover's padded taxpayer-funded salary by taking lavish vacations together on his dime. According to the court documents, Wade, who has no RICO and felony prosecution experience, billed taxpayers $654,000 since January 2022. Judge McAfee said Monday that the particulars of Wade's experience will not be relevant in the evidentiary hearing, which will take place on Thursday, February 15, adding, "In my mind, as long as a lawyer has a heartbeat and a bar card, that lawyer's appointment standing alone is a matter within the district attorney's discretion." Georgia whistleblowers lining up to testify against Fulton County DA Fani Willis, state lawmaker says. McAfee said the issues at point here are whether a relationship existed, whether that relationship was romantic or non-romantic in nature, when it formed, and whether it continues. And that's only relevant because it's in combination with the question of the existence and extent of any personal benefit conveyed as a result of their relationship. Willis responded to the allegations in a court filing and admitted to having a personal relationship with Wade but denied any conflict of interest. She also argued that, according to Georgia law, in order for a district attorney to be forcibly removed from a case, the conflict of interest has to be harmful to a defendant's case. Fani Willis WHO relished in Donald Trump prosecution should be removed from case for illicit affair, experts. Willis told the Superior Court that while the allegations against her are salacious, they have no merit. Willis claims that while she and Wade have been professional associates and friends since 2019, there was no personal relationship between her and Wade in November 2021 at the time of Wade's appointment, and that Roman and his lawyers offer no support for their insistence that the exercise of any prosecutorial discretion, i.e., any charging decision or plea recommendation, in this case was impacted by any personal relationship. Click here to get the Fox News app. Willis' filing said Roman's motions attempt to cobble together entirely unremarkable circumstances of special prosecutor Wade's appointment with completely irrelevant allegations about his personal family life into a manufactured conflict of interest on the part of the district attorney. Judge McAfee determined that Terrence Bradley, Wade's former law partner, will testify first on Thursday and that his testimony will determine whether others will be required to testify. The state has also revealed that DA Willis' father will be testifying on Thursday, remotely from California. The court has set aside all day Thursday and Friday for this hearing, and potentially more time if needed.